Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Obito from Naruto, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So let's get started with the shape of the head. So for the top, we're going to curve this around and down on the right. We're going to continue to flatten this out on the side. So we're going to bring this down, curving that in on a diagonal towards the bottom. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on the right. So we're going to bring that down, starting to curve that in on a diagonal, leaving a gap right in the middle. Now with our gap in the center, we're just going to close that off with a curved line from left to right. Let's move over for the hole for the eye. So on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a circle. Let's move beside that, stepping out. We're going to curve this line up and over on the top. And then again from that point on the bottom, curving this around and then back in. Now on the top, we're going to curve this line up, down and through towards the side. And then we'll do the same thing on the opposite direction on the bottom. Now from that point, we're going to curve this line up, down, and then across towards the side. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the bottom. Now as we come up on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this over and through towards the left. And then from that point, arching this back, around, and down. Let's come up again. So on the side, we're going to curve this over and through. And then again from that point, curving this around and down. Now let's come underneath. We're going to curve this up, over, and across. And then again from that point, bringing this down, up, and over, joining that at a point. Now on the side, let's bring this line out, down, and across. And then from that point again, curving this down, up, and over, just following that shape. One more time, let's move down, curving this down and through. And then again from that point, we're just going to bring this back across. And then now let's draw on the hair up above. So we're going to draw on a small curved diagonal line on both sides. Now from here, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming out. And then from that point, we're going to bring this back up. Let's focus on the left-hand side. So we're going to bring this line out. And then from that point, we'll bring this line up on a diagonal. Again, we're going to bring this line through on a diagonal and then back across. Now let's bring this line up and through again towards the middle. Now from here, we're going to bring this up on a diagonal again, and then we'll bring this over and across towards the right. Now let's bring this line out and then back down. Let's stretch this out towards the right, and then we're going to tuck that in, bringing that back down. Let's bring this line across, and then we're going to bring this back through on a diagonal towards the middle. Now from here, let's bring that diagonal line out and then across again towards the middle. Now from here, let's bring this line down and then through. Now let's draw on the neck. So on both sides, we're going to curve this line out on the left and right-hand side. Coming in behind, we're going to curve this line out. Now from here, we're going to arch this line down towards the bottom. On the right-hand side, we're going to curve this diagonal line up. We're going to draw on a small one on the left. Now from here for the collarbone, bringing that out and down on both sides, lining that up at the same height. Let's continue to tuck in the collar behind. So we're going to curve this down. And then again, we're just going to bring this line through on a diagonal towards that line on the inside. Now let's step across again. We're going to bring that out and down. And then we're going to curve this line out again. Now we're going to tuck this down in the middle. So we're going to draw a diagonal line coming through towards the center. And then from this line right in the middle, we're going to bring this line up and over on the corner. And then we're going to line this up at the exact same height, starting on that line, curving this up and over again. And that is it. That's how you draw Obito from Naruto. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.